Hello students, in this topic we can study about past continuous tense. This is based on English grammar tenses. So before going into the topic, first we must understand what is meant by past continuous tense. Past continuous tense denotes an action going on at some times in the past, and the time of the action may or may not be indicated. Example, when I saw her, she was playing chess. So from this example, we can clearly understand that action that was going on at some time in the past, and here the time of action is not indicated. Just it denote a past action. Next, we can see where the past continuous tenses are used. First, the past continuous tense is used for action which happened before and after another action, and the next for something that have happened before and after a specific time, and then to denote an action that continued for some time, and at the last this tense is also used with always, continually, etc. for persistent habits in the past. So let's see one by one for better understanding with perfect example. And the first for something which happened before and after another action. So once again, if we read the sentence, the main thing is action that have happened before and after another action is important. So now let's see an example. The children were doing their homework when I got home. So from the above example, we can clearly understand that past continuous tense is used for something which have happened before and after another one action. So from the example, we can clearly understand that while doing the homework, I got home. So here two action is denoted. The action before one is something had happened, that is children's doing homework, and the another action is that got home. And now the next one is for something that happened before and after a specific time. So here the past continuous tense is used to denote an action before and after a specific time. That is the time it should be given here. So let's see an example. It was 7 o'clock and I was writing a letter. So from this example we can clearly understand that the time is given, that is 7 o'clock, and I was writing a letter at that time. So it explains action that is started writing letter at specific time, that is 7 o'clock. So it explains something that happened before and after a given specific time, and the given specific time here is 7 o'clock. And the next one is something continued for some time. That is to show an action that continued for some time. The main thing is continued for some time. And the example is everyone was shouting. So from the example we can clearly understand that everyone was shouting for a continued time. So it denotes the action everyone was shouting and it continued for a some time. So here the past continuous tense is used to denote an action that continued for some time. And the last, this tense is also used with always, continually, and for persistent habit in the past. So the two main thing is it is used with the word always, continually, and also it is used to denote persistent habit. What is persistent habit? The habit that has happened or an action that have happened again and again is known as persistent habit. So first now we can see an example. They were always quarreling. So from the example the word always is used and it explains the persistent habit, that is they were quarreling, that is the action was happening again and again. So once again, past continuous is used to denote an action going on at sometimes in past. The time may be denoted or not denoted, and it is used in fourth thing for something that have happened before and after another action and at specific time and continued for some time, and the last one for persistent habit. Hope you understood. Thank you.